The Ford Fiera was an XL-based cockpit car that featured several styling modifications, built in 1968. Among these were a lowered roofline which altered the angles of the front and rear windshields, resulting in a very sleek-looking car. The mostly stock-looking grille was deeply recessed and had auxiliary rectangular driving lights positioned on either side of the stock grille divider. Under the louvered hood was a 428 cu V8 engine. The car also featured vent windows, side moldings, front side marker lamps, and rear side reflectors were deleted. Racing-style outside mirrors replaced the stock units. The rear wheel openings were enlarged a bit, and a pair of brake cooling vents were installed just ahead of the rear wheels. Wide oval white wall tires were fitted to a set of custom wheels. A wide trunk molding extended to the taillights. The extensions replaced the stock backup lamp assemblies. Overall, the car resembled the 1968-1969 Dodge Charger. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, write a comment, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell to be informed of new videos.